Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing my Amazon package and it is Trekassy's tree swing. This tree swing is awesome and so much fun. It holds up to 700 pounds guys and it has a 40-inch diameter. It comes with soft foam handles so the kids can play all day. It is perfect for kids or adults. It has a waterproof Oxford mat. Everything is included to set up your tree swing, even the hanging straps as well. It has an easy and hassle-free installation, perfect for the whole family. If you guys are interested, I will have the link in the description box so you can check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have an amazing day, everyone. Bye!